What's up, guys? Welcome to the first tutorial. Today we are going to learn a really simple, cool clone effect that you can do in your music videos. I really like the way this effect looks, and it's not hard. It's very simple, so let's hop into it. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to your cut and get your blade out. So hit C on Mac. Make the cut. Where you want it to end, you do another cut. Then you hold Alt, drag, and copy the clip. Once you do that, you right-click it, and we're going to bring this over to After Effects. You don't have to do this in After Effects, but I like to because I like the masking tool better. So once you're in After Effects, you're going to get the pen tool, click on the pen tool right here. You're going to do a mask, and if you're doing this for a paid project, I recommend you spend more time on the mask. I'm just going to do a really quick mask just for demonstration purposes. All right. Once you got your mask done, you'll see that when you complete the mask, the background turns transparent. So you're going to right-click the clip, go to Time, Freeze Frame. We're going to go to the Composition, and we're going to go to Composition Settings. And if you can't see this on my recording, just go up to, it says in the top, it says Composition. So you're going to go into Composition Settings, and you're going to make it however long you want to make it. I'm just going to do it a random length. I can trim it down in Premiere, but you're going to basically drag it out to where you want to cut. So now we see we have this popping on the beat. Not very cool at all. That's why we're going to add some effects to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your effect panel, and you're going to go to Ecto. This is Red Giant. You can use Saber if you don't want to get Red Giant, but you can get Red Giant. You can get a free trial for 15 days. I highly recommend it. It's a very good preset package. But you're going to go over to your Ecto effect, you download on redgiant.com, and you're going to apply it. Okay. Now once you've applied this effect, you're going to go to your bottom clip, copy that, go over to it, and you're going to speed it up. So I like to go to 1000%. I like the way this looks. You're welcome to experiment with your own number and find something that you like. I personally like 1000. So now you're going to go into you're going to type in chromatic aberration. This is another Red Giant effect. You're going to apply that. Boom. Okay, now let's take a look at it. All right, nothing. Let me render this out quick. All right, that's not bad. Let's add some flair and add a little. You always want to play with things until you're satisfied. So I think this is not that exciting right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the effect controls, and we're going to toggle animation for position and scale. Now what you're going to go do is go to the end of the clip and change your animation to where you want it to end. I like this right here. As you can see, my buddy is very lit in this picture. Let's render this out. Let's take a look at it. All right, let's change this a little bit just because I can see on the top right around here it's cutting off because the clip is running out. So what we're going to do is slide that up a little bit and then drag this to the end of the clip. Now, once we do that, I'm going to give it a render. Let's see what it looks like. Not bad. So I'm going to add one more thing to this. I think it would really make the difference. You're going to drag these clips out. And oh, we got to go over to this and make this longer so that it doesn't cut out when we do this. And I'm going to nest these clips. Right click, go to nest, okay. And we're going to add one more effect for the cut out. So I'm going to go to levels and I'm going to apply the levels. Go to effects controls, toggle animation for white input, where you want to start. And then I like 2 frames for this, what the effect I'm going for. And we go all the way to here, right? Okay. Now let's take a look at this. So that's the effect. Stay tuned for more. Lots of more videos coming. And I'll see you next time.